Hi everyone. So here we are going to make an analog clock project using OpenCV, Python and trigonometry. ठीक है. So in this project we will be using the concepts of drawing lines, shapes and also taking out some of the things from the modules of Python. And if you are not subscribed, just consider subscribing right now, because I bring projects on OpenCV, Python and further on machine learning and deep learning. We'll integrate it into the computer vision. Okay, so let's see what we are going to make today. Let us run our thing. So this is the project that we are going to make today. A simple construction of analog watch, but using a difficult back end, that is trigonometric ratios. So you can see that there is a circle constructed. These all are the small circles. The gray dots you are seeing, these are the small circles, and these are the dashes which are constructed with the help of trigonometric ratios. The arms of the clock are also working with the help of trigonometric ratio, and here is the digital time which is visible to you. So let's come on that how we are making this project. So we need three files to make this project. First is constants.py. Constant.py is actually means certain values which we are using directly into our functions. So here is the first of all, let me tell you that first is the canvas size. Canvas size I have maintained 640 cross 640. Then comes the center. The center of the canvas will be the center of our clock. Always remember that, because the clock has to be placed in between. After coming over to that radius इसका क्या होगा? Radius will be 260. ये अपना random fix है, कुछ भी आप रख सकते हो यहाँ पर radius. And here is the dictionary of the colors which you have defined to be used in our project further. ठीक है. Now let us understand the making of the analog watch. First we will make the outline of the analog watch, then we'll see that how it works, कैसे उसके arms move करते हैं, how the ticks are placed. Okay, so here are some helper functions. What I have imported? I have imported OpenCV, I have imported the date time module, I have imported the math module, and from constants I have imported the center, radius and colors. Now here comes the function of the get ticks. Now what this function is doing, let us understand in brief. Suppose this is our normal canvas, and here we are having a we can say, okay, let me draw. First of all, we have to make a circle with the center in between. All right, we are having its center in between, and we are just making a circle first. After making a circle, what we have to see is, suppose this is there must be certain ticks to determine these ticks. ये ticks determine होते हैं ना, कि कहते हैं मतलब 6 बजे 12 बजे 9 बजे. Now how we have to draw these ticks? यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा trigonometric construction है. Let's say that we have to draw this one tick. ये वाला tick हमें draw करना है. तो अभी क्या है कि यहाँ से मेरे को x और y axis, इस point का x और y axis, let me change the color. We need the x and y coordinate of this point, we need the x and y coordinate of this point, so that we can draw a line from this to this point. Okay, now how we will get the x and y coordinates of these points? Let's say that okay, let's say we are having x and y coordinates of this center right now. ठीक है, and we need this much more distance to determine the x coordinate of this thing. Okay, let's make a triangle here. Let's join this line to this one. ये एक ट्रायंगल है. यहां पर ये जो हमारा एंगल आ जाता है, ये हमारा एंगल थीटा आ जाएगा. ठीक है. अब ये वाला अगर हमें डिस्टेंस चाहिए, ये वाला डिस्टेंस और सेंटर का एक्स एक्सिस हम प्लस कर दें तो क्या आ जाएगा? इसका एक्स एक्सिस आ जाएगा. और ये जो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस है, ये वाला वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस हम इसे ऐड कर दें और सेंटर का वाई एक्सिस ऐड कर दें, ये पूरा डिस्टेंस, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? इसका पूरा y एक्सिस आ जाएगा. तो हमारे पास x एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैसे निकल रहे हैं? हाउ आर वी कैलकुलेटिंग x एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट्स? यूजिंग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. ये वाला जो डिस्टेंस होगा, ये क्या होगा? साइन थीटा इनटू हाइपोटेनस. एंड हाइपोटेनस क्या है? इसकी हाइपोटेनस क्या है? रेडियस. ऑलराइट, इसकी हाइपोटेनस क्या हो जाएगी? रेडियस. रेडियस से कम ज्यादा कर लेना, वो अपने टिक मार्क्स के वैल्यू के हिसाब से हो जाएगा. ठीक है. और उसके बाद ये जो x एक्सिस है, ये x एक्सिस क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास? ये हो जाएगा cos थीटा इंटू हाइपोटेनस. ठीक है. सो लेट्स कम ओवर टू द हेल्पर फंक्शंस. लेट्स सी कि यहां पर हमने सबसे पहले बना लिया इनिशियल एंड डेस्टिनेशन आर्स टिक्स, जो टिक्स हैं उसके इनिशियल और डेस्टिनेशन, मैंने बोला था ना वी नीड 2 पॉइंट्स, इनिशियल एंड डेस्टिनेशन. सो फॉर इनिशियल वी आर हैविंग अ रेंज from 0 to 360. I showed this range function how to use this using then if you are not watched that part, you can just come over to the playlist and watch it. Now the x coordinate is, I said, center plus the radius into cos of theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle we get from here, and into we are just calculating it in radians. That's why we are doing pi by 180. Okay, maths.pi divide by 180. We are calculating the angle in radians. Okay, y coordinate will be center y axis plus radius into maths.sin theta. So same will be the, here are the initial that destination coordinates. Destination coordinates will be radius minus 20 because we have to elongate the line. Okay, the radius minus 20. Here are, जैसे हमने टिक्स बनाया है, ये वो फंक्शन है कि जो टिक्स हमारा पूरा प्रॉपर बना देता है. ठीक है, अब हमारा मेन जो काम था वो समझने का हो चुका है. चलो फटाफट चलते हैं, इसे अभी मैं आऊंगा यहाँ पर. अब चलते हैं एनालॉग क्लॉक पर. अब ये हमारा मेन चीज है. यहाँ पर हमने CV2 इंपोर्ट कर ली, नंपा इंपोर्ट कर ली, उसके बाद कॉन्स्टेंट्स इंपोर्ट कर लिए. यहाँ पर हमने एक कैनवस बना दिया फटाफट से, जो कि हमारा रिक्वायर्ड कैनवस साइज का है, हमने डिफाइन करा था. उस पूरे कैनवस को हमने व्हाइट कर दिया. ठीक है, ये कंसेप्ट कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा, पीछे वाली वीडियो देखना जाके, अनसब्सक्राइब कर देना यार. आर्स इनिशियल आर्स डेस्टिनेशन इज इक्वल टू गेट टिक्स. गेट टिक्स फंक्शन हमने कहां से इंपोर्ट करा है? हेल्पर फंक्शंस में से. यहां से हमारे टिक्स के वैल्यू आ गए डेस्टिनेशन, इनिशियल और डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट्स. अब एक फॉर लूप चलाएंगे, 12 बार फॉर लूप चलेगा और 12 बार में वो छोटी छोटी लाइनें पूरे सर्कल के, दे इट विल फॉर्म द स्मॉल टिक्स टू होल्ड द सर्कल एंड विच विल डिपिक्ट द आर पॉइंट. Now we have to see, एक छोटा सा हमने सर्कल बना दिया. You can say you would have seen the white yellow circle outside the clock that I have drawn using this function. After that ये थोड़ा सा डिजाइनिंग के लिए just I have used a put text function to put the titan. Then after that comes a while loop. Now we will run a loop to check that what time is the system giving, what time is the system's date time module, Python's date time module is giving, and at that time we will align the clock that hands. Okay, now let's see that we have took the image. Clock face is equal to draw time. Draw time function is a function from helper functions which draws the hands of the clocks. ये last चीज है, this is last. At the end we are just showing the clock. So let's see the draw time function. Let's come here back. This is the draw time function. Okay, so time now, we have got the time from the time now module. Dot now gives the time, and it also contains days and day. So we'll just take out the time from it. Then we have took out hour, minute and seconds from it, and hour is in the 24-hour format. So we have just converted it to 12-hour format. Okay, now this comes the angle. How we'll calculate the angle of the watches? Now see guys, let me take you to the whiteboard. Okay, so let us assume that there is an hour hand and we have to calculate its angle. This is the reference line. Now this angle, from here we have to calculate that how much we have to turn it so that it comes here. All right, now this angle would be certain, what, like we can select that this thing plus this angle. So how much is this? This is 270 at total. So 270 plus this angle. This will be the total angle that this arm is forming with the x-axis. Alright, so let's see what we are doing here. We are doing 270 plus the number of seconds into 6. For each arm it will be validated, it will be means suitable for each arm. Second angle, minute angle and hour angle. Alright, you understood that what happens here, what is happening here. Just you see like that. And in hour angle we have also added the minute one, so you can take that into consideration. Okay, now the similarly we have found the destination points for the hour, minute and second hands. I told you na, using trigonometry, center axis plus the radius minus 25 cause I have to make it certain what small. Then after that cos into that thing. Okay, the cos of the angle. Here I have used the line function to draw all the three arms. If you are having any doubt, just you can insta me down. All the three arms are drawn. After that हमने एक circle draw करा है, small सा circle जो कि हमारे center को depict करता है. And here I have used this is a secondary part where I have converted my time. Suppose if 9 is coming, so I have converted it into 09. If 2 is coming, I have converted it into 02. If 12 is coming, I have kept it. It is ये एक छोटा सा function है. This is a small if else function. And after that I have also used a put text to put that onto our clock. So ये हमारा that's all about it. And if you have any doubt in this project, you can just tell me. The codes are given in the description, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because I am just putting my all things into it. I am just putting my holidays into it just because of you guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Alright, so here comes the break key. Break key, when Q is pressed, it will be break in. So let's see that how our clock runs. So here is our clock, a yellow circle, then small circles, then ticks. Ticks are with the help of those algorithmic trigonometric functions, and these watch hours. Watch hours, radius minus 50, radius minus 25, and radius minus 10. Alright, so thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any doubt related to OpenCV, or if you have any doubt related to engineering, you can just check down my playlist below. I have given that, and you can connect with me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, anything. Alright, thank you guys.